Assalamualaikum kids, welcome back to my Kids Wonder Hub. How are you kids? Do you know kids when to stop and when to go? Why traffic lights have three different colors? And when is it safe to cross the road? Today we are going to learn all about road safety and traffic lights. Traffic lights help control traffic and keep everyone safe. They have three colors: red, yellow, and green. Red light. Red light means stop. When the light is red, all cars, buses, trucks must stop. Never cross the road when the red light is on. Yellow light. Yellow light means slow down. It tells drivers to be ready to stop. Be careful and stay alert. Green light. Green light means go. Vehicles can move, but always make sure it is safe before going. This is a pedestrian signal. It helps people cross the road safely. When you see the green walking person, you may cross carefully. When you see the red hand, stop and wait. Road sign. Road signs are very important because they help keep everyone safe on the road. They give important information and tell drivers and pedestrians what to do. Some road signs tell us to stop, some tell us to slow down, and some show us where is it safe to cross the road. Always pay attention to road signs and follow them carefully to stay safe. Traffic cones. Traffic cones are bright orange cones. They are placed on road to warn drivers about road work, construction, or other danger ahead. When you see traffic cones, slow down, be careful, and follow the instruction. Signpost. This is a direction sign. It helps people find the right way. Direction signs show us where to go and help us reach our destination safely. Road safety rules. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Look left, right, and left again before crossing. Always wear a seat belt in a car. Wear a helmet when riding a bicycle or motorcycle. Great job, kids. Today we learned about traffic lights and road safety. Remember, kids, red means stop, yellow means slow down, and green means go. Stay safe, follow the rules, and like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video, kids. Allah Hafiz.